Would you like to earn $200 a day? Well, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that with 6 websites, and you can start it right now as soon as you're finished watching this video. So stay tuned. All right, guys, so today we're going to be showing you 5 websites to make $200 every day with. All right, but before we get started, my name is Zeb Summers. I'm an online entrepreneur. I talk about affiliate, digital, internet marketing, and I'm here to help you along your journey to a laptop lifestyle so you can get some freedom in your life. Now, if you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the little notification bell to get notified for daily videos that I put out. And also, if you have any comments, let me know what you like, what you don't like to see in the future, and I'll make that happen. Plus, if you have any questions about today's content, post them below and I will reply. All right, guys. Again, if you're looking for a passive income, the way to bring in money every single day, I got a highly recommended program down below the top of my description. Go check it out if you like. If not, stay tuned to this video, and I am going to talk about 5 websites. I'm going to give you a bonus website, and then at the end, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get leads for your websites. All right, so let's get started. The first website is PeerFly. What is PeerFly? PeerFly is a CPA network, a click per action network. So it's unlike JVZoo or ClickBank. It is actually a website that is you are paid as an affiliate to promote a link, just like Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank, but you're getting paid. You're not collecting emails with an opt-in page like you would those products. You're actually getting paid for a lead, right? So every time somebody enters their email address in the opt-in page that you're promoting, you'll get a couple bucks. So that can add up very quick, right? So that's why PeerFly is a great program, and I highly recommend them. They're very easy to work with. It's very easy to become an affiliate, and they got lots and lots of products. All right, so go check out PeerFly. That's peerfly.com, and sign up as an affiliate today, and you can get started with all these today. You don't need to pay any money to join these products or these groups or these websites or whatever you want to call them, and you can start promoting your link free or with paid advertising. All right. The next one is Warrior Plus, and Warrior Plus is one that I use. Actually, I'm actually logged into this one. This one has links. This one has products that you can promote, and you got to actually, unlike ClickBank, you got to actually request a link from the people that own the product. So if you find a product that you like, all right, you send out a note. You just request a link, and usually you'll get the link within a couple days. Sometimes it takes a couple weeks. Depends on how often these people check their messages. All right, so highly recommend Warrior Plus. Their products are stellar. You can come in. They got contests all the time, so you can actually win extra money by promoting new products. You got pre-launches and all kinds of cool stuff. So go check out Warrior Plus for different products that aren't on JVZoo or ClickBank. All right, so if you're looking for like health niche or whatever it is, there's so many different things. Make money online, whatever you're looking for. There's tons of stuff on both these, on all these websites. JVZoo. JVZoo is also a place that has a lot of products. You can come here, sign up as an affiliate, and it's similar to Warrior Plus, where you need to you can promote products, but a lot of times to get into the products early, you need to have some kind of approval. But it's very easy to get it. You just ask, and you can promote their products. All right. ClickBank. ClickBank, I know everybody's seen ClickBank. ClickBank has products that you can promote. Now, with ClickBank, Warrior Plus, and JVZoo, you would really want to create a sales funnel with the opt-in page and a bridge page of yourself before you promote these products so you can gather their email addresses. Of course, you don't have to, but if you don't, you're going to be leaving money on the table, because most of these, you don't make sales until you're back end. All right. So you're maybe going to make a 2% sales rate on the front end. So if you have 1,000 people come through, you're only going to get 1 or 2% to actually buy on the front end. So most of your sales are going to be on the back end. So you want to actually have a product like Builderall, which I talk about in a lot of my videos. Go check out the playlist of Builderall. But Builderall will allow you to get email autoresponder, sales funnel builder, and all the tools you need so you can actually start promoting these products and building an email list. If you really want to get in affiliate marketing, that's what I highly recommend. If you want to use these 3 products, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, or ClickBank, I highly recommend that you get a program like Builderall and start building sales funnels. Just check out my video playlist, and I describe exactly how you can build out funnels, email marketing, all that stuff within Builderall. All right, so go check that out. There's a link in the description for Builderall if you'd like to go check that program out. It's very cheap and inexpensive for those getting into affiliate marketing. It's a highly recommended program, and if you're new to affiliate marketing, go get it, get signed up, and learn how to become an affiliate marketer so you can start making some money. PeerFly, Cash Network, and Max Bounty. Okay, Cash Network is similar to PeerFly. It's another CPA network, which you get paid per action. So you're just promoting their link. So every time somebody enters their email address, you're going to get paid a couple bucks. So Cash Network and Max Bounty are the same as PeerFly. Now, Max Bounty is a little different because Max Bounty, you're actually, when you sign up as an affiliate, you're going to have to fill out a couple questions. Somebody's going to call you to give you an interview. And what you want to do, I'm going to give you a tip right now. So this is an extra bonus site here that I wasn't going to list on here because it's more complicated to become a member, but it's really worthwhile. And I'm going to give you a tip right now. So when you sign up for this, you're going to actually be asked a series of questions. What I want you to do is don't tell them that you're a total noob. Tell them you're experienced a little bit. Tell them you have signed up for ClickBank and you've been promoting ClickBank and been successful with ClickBank and you want to try CPA marketing. They're going to call you up and set up an interview. You have to answer the call. It only takes like a minute or two interview. They're going to ask you the same exact questions. All you got to do is say, I've been doing this for a little while. I've been on ClickBank promoting products, been successful, and I want to get into CPA networking or marketing. So just tell them that and you'll get put right in and you can start promoting all their products. Just tell them you want to promote health products and you'll have, because they're going to ask you what niche you're in, just tell them health products and it doesn't matter because once you get in, you have access to every single product. All right. So that was Max Bounty. Cash Network. I'm going to run through all these again. So peerfly.com. That's peerfly.com. warriorplus.com. jvzoo.com. clickbank.com. cashnetwork.com. and maxbounty.com. So go get signed up with all these networks. Start getting links to promote. PeerFly is the first one I would go with, and just start promoting links. Cash Network and Max Bounty are my next recommendations, and just start promoting to the right audience, right? So if you're promoting health products, you want health, wealth, or romance, right? So these relationships, because this is the top 3 niches to make money with. All right. So you want wealth, which is make money, finance, debt, cryptocurrency. You want health, which is nutrition, lose weight, gain weight, muscle, whatever it is, that's your health. And then you want romance, which is relationship advice, how to pick up girls, how to pick up dudes, how to have conversations with the opposite sex, whatever it is. Those are the top 3 niches that you want to be in. Then you want to find a sub niche within each one of those that you want to go out and promote, so you can find the right audience to promote to. That's the key. So my bonus for today is how to get paid advertising. So what you want to do, you want to go over here. This is probably the best site for to find solo ads other than Udemy. And Udemy's awesome too. I have a link in the description for Udemy if you would like to go check it out. I'll put a link down in the description below, and that's a solo ad vendor where you can go get solo ads. And I'll link a video at the end of this video that actually shows you how to use and pick the correct vendor from Udemy. All right. But if you don't want to go to Udemy, you want to get a little cheaper stuff, you just come into this group, Solo Ad Testimonials. Make sure it looks like this, Prashant Sharma's Solo Ad Testimonials. And as soon as you see that, go in there and sign up, join the group. And what you want to do is you want to come into this group and you go to sales. All right. So you want to search all the sellers that have 2 sales, and you can start with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but you want to find sellers that actually have sales. And when you find them sellers, you reach out to them, right? So Alessandra Syria, Darren Gollinger, and you want them to be rather new, like a month or so. Okay, so you just want to keep searching sales like this. All right, so maybe 3, and you just play around with it and see what you pick up the most. This dude's got 3 sales, 3 sales. So you can start seeing, I wonder if anybody has 5 sales. And you can see, oh crap, this guy's got 5 sales, so I want to reach out to him or promote my link. And you purchase sales. All right. Now, if you don't have money for links, you want to just search make money groups, right? So you just want to search make money groups in Facebook. Pick any of these really high number groups and join them, and don't just go in there and post your link right away. Go in there and start replying to people, post cool stuff, and then figure out how they're doing it, and then promote something. Be like, hey, anybody interested in making $100 a day? Type info down below, and somebody will type info. Then you share them a link. All right, so or a link to a program that you're offering for Mass Bounty. So they click it and they put in their email address, and you get paid for that email address. All right, so that's probably one of the easiest ways to collect email addresses. All right, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully you'll go out to these websites, you'll get signed up, and you'll become an affiliate marketer. Guys, again, hit that subscribe button, give me a like, give me some comments, let me know what you like, what you don't like to see in the future. And if you have any questions about today's content, post it below. And I will link a couple of videos at the end containing Builderall playlist and Udemy signups, so you can actually use those two to actually learn a little more about how to affiliate market these programs. But these programs can easily get you a couple $100 a day every day by just promoting and getting free traffic through these groups I just showed you on Facebook. All right, guys, again, peace out, and I will see you on tomorrow's video.